Emiliano Sala's model ex-girlfriend is claiming that the football mafia is behind the doomed plane that disappeared over the English Channel. In an emotional post on social media, she wrote, "I want to wake up and all of this to be a lie. Please investigate because I cannot believe this accident. Don't suspend the search for bad weather when you only just found objects floating. I need to read that you have shown up. I cannot believe they're suspending the search until tomorrow. They're losing time and aren't investigating. I feel impotent. I'm in a nightmare. I cannot stop thinking about you, Emmy. The thing I regret most is not having told you that you made me feel like I haven't felt in a while and I love you. Why does this misfortune happen to such a fascinating man full of projects, hard-working, pet good person dedicated to his job? Emmy, my heart is broken. I still cannot understand it. I'm destroyed. I feel pain, fear, anger and impotence for not being able to do anything. I know you're strong. We are waiting for you." In a separate post, Shker wrote, "Investigate the football mafia because I don't believe this was an accident.